In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put iPhone camera on timer. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. By default, Camera app always starts in a photo mode. However, if it is not in your case, first off, you need to switch to photo mode. If, let's say, video mode is active, you need to tap right here where it says photo to switch to photo mode, because we can put our camera on timer just when we are in a photo mode. Once it is done, tap right here at that arrow. That will show you that options, and among these icons you can easily find that one that is a timer icon. If we tap on it, we'll be able to turn on timer for 3 seconds or for 10 seconds. I'm gonna choose 3 seconds. It is showing here that now timer set to 3 seconds. Then we can tap at that arrow again to hide that toolbar. And then, basically guys, all we have to do in order to take a picture with the timer is just tap at that icon, and after a 3 seconds countdown, it will automatically take a picture. Then, if we tap right here, we'll be able to switch our timer to 10 seconds in that way. And also, right from here, we can easily turn it off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.